This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Okay, gardening spirit boosters. I'm just sharing with you guys some of my favorite succulents out here. This is an elephant succulent. I forgot what this one is called. Right here, I forgot. It's doing okay. And then I have this one in the back. Right here. It's one of my extra favorites. I repotted it into a bigger pot. I'm gonna have to do some cuttings and make a new plant. And there's this one that's doing okay. I love all these little succulents. I have been trying to come. Look at the little bumblebee, the garter. About to fall. And I had the little turtle, came from the Dollar Tree. That's the $1.25 now. So, just wanted to just share. And this is another succulent. This is like the jade plant. Oh, I gotta take care of my burrow's tail. I guess I'm gonna feed it something. And this is the karaoke. Just want to come through here. Let's dip down here and share this one. My plants look a hot mess, but that's what I get when I don't do what I need to be doing. Then there's this one that looks like a star. It's cute. Look at that one. That's the watch chain. Trying to get it to grow back right. I guess this is a mini share of what's going on my balcony garden. Here is my jade, what they call this, dang, trumpet jade, I forgot. Look at the mess, y'all, don't pay that no mind. And then down in this pot, it's a hot mess, but that's my plant. And then this is like, what I tell y'all, it's like a thumb plant. It's gorgeous. I love all my plants. Had to give it water because it was stribbling up. Got it back under control. A lot of stuff died. If I don't come back with an update, that means it died. But yeah, I just want to come through here and just share with y'all my succulents. But this elephant one right here is so huge. I have to break it down and make more plants. But my burrow's tail, I'm about to give it some food. Yeah. Let's see up here. I didn't touch some. Mr. Owl. Some more succulents. Now this one, it needed water because it's stripping up. That's what happened when they stribble up. They need water. A lot of my plants died because I neglect them for too long. But Yep. I just have to share with y'all what the heck is going on. Let me show y'all something over here. Don't pay that stuff no mind. It's a very large, what do you call it, ladybug. Okay, this is another I did cuttings and put this, just stuck this in here. Yes, this thing gonna go wild. This is another succulent silver jade. I know this is called silver jade. This one here, beautiful plant, and love it too. This right here, rosette, I forgot. These right here, I got to regrow those. But for now, this silver jade, it's a really beautiful plant. Just gotta keep it with this little water so it don't shrivel up. And it's gorgeous. I love this plant. There's another succulent right there, the banana. This is called a blue somebody, but it's a banana. I gotta put some water on this plant. Look back there, it's my aloe vera with all the gel, nutritious gel in it. All this stuff gotta be situated. But yeah, I just want to come through here and share with y'all some of my favorite succulents. Just give y'all a mini balcony tour, let y'all see what's going on with my succulents and other little plants y'all might have peeked out up over here. Bunch of dead ones in the back there. Y'all can see all that dead stuff I got to clean up. This is one of my favorite plants right here too. It's gorgeous, loving it. Look at that trash back there. I gotta clean up. Everything gotta be cleaned up, y'all. Okay, this tour is coming to a conclusion because I got to go do some stuff. Happy 1st of the month. This is October 1st, 2022. October 1st, 2022. Look at my little cactus back there. There's another one. That's my favorite elephant. Sitting in an elephant plant pot. Elephant plant sitting in an elephant plant pot. Okay, y'all. That's about all the damage I got to share today. Y'all have a great one. Thanks for watching. Welcome all new subscribers. Bye. Thanks for your time and support.